Summer is time for gathering, celebrating, and saving the season's best flavors, and Jamie Gwynne's recipes embrace this spirit with colorful ingredients and creative twists on backyard classics. She's here today with recipes that will impress your guests while capturing the joy and flavor of summer. Welcome back to the Tech Show, Chef Jamie.
Chef Jamie Gwynne here. Happy summer to you. I am a girl at the grill and I love to host a barbecue for Memorial Day with sizzle and smoke. But in order to spend time with my family and friends, I like to use the time-tested recipes of Reese's delicious deli salads and sides. Reese's Original Potato Salad is the classic blend of diced russets and chopped celery and onions, true to Grandma Mildred Reese's original recipe from 1950. Talk about legacy. The Reese's Macaroni Salad is classic creamy goodness. It's made with perfectly plump elbow macaroni and a sweet tart mayonnaise dressing. And their coleslaw is barbecue's favorite sidekick with crisp cabbage and crunchy carrots. And to celebrate their 75th anniversary, look for the special edition anniversary packaging in the deli section of your grocery store starting this month. Each package features a QR code where you can enter to win their Flip and Win sweepstakes. Now, May is also National Salad Month, and to celebrate, Fresh Express is here to help you make the most of it with a delicious variety of salads, from vibrant blends to flavor-packed kits. And it will help you kick off Memorial Day weekend, of course, with striking color and bold flavor and effortless style, whether you're hosting or heading to a cookout. From timeless favorites like an Americana salad to a sweet berry pineapple salad or a smoky sheet pan barbecue chicken creation, Fresh Express Salads brings the flavor and the fun. It's an updated take on summer entertaining, big on taste and low on prep. So this summer, it's all about expressing you one fresh, crunchy bite at a time. For more information and delicious recipes, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.